Hello everyone, my name is Mohammadreza Beladi. Many factors have influenced the formation of Neyanban music in Bushehr. In other words, different uh, parts of Neyanban music have different origins. Sailor songs, itinerant musicians such as Gypsies, Lotis and Motrebs, radio and media, work songs, or even trance rites music, such as Zar and Leywa, are some of them. Some parts of Neyanban, some parts of Neyanban music have been borrowed from neyjofti music. This is neyjofti, and this gentleman, Rajab Badrimu, is a neyjofti player. It's kind of double pipe. In this video, I talk about two different types of neyanban. Neyanban with 5 holes and neyanban with 6 holes, and their impact on neyanban music of Bushehr. The neyanban usually have 6 pair of holes in handle to play music. But in the past, there were two different type of neyanbans, 5 holes and 6 holes neyanbans, with two different cultures, both of which influenced the music of Bushehr Neyanban. The 5 holes Neyambans here is Bushehr. This is Iran, Persian Gulf, and here is Bushehr in south of Iran, and this is Bushehr province, and the Neyanban with 5 holes is mainly found in the Lori regions in the northwest of Bushehr province. Here, Borazjan, Genave, Abpakhsh, Bandar Dilam, and Neyanban with 6 holes that is played in southeast coast of Bushehr, here in Kangan, Deyer, and in Hormozgan province in Bandar Muqam or Parsian. William Owsley, a British Orientalist in 1811, and Colonel John Johnson in 1817 saw the Arab Neyanban players in Bushehr and gave a description of them in their travelogues. At that time, the ruler and a large part of the population of Bushehr were Arabs. The images provided by them show that the Neyanban had 6 pair of holes. On the top, this one is the picture that has provided by William Owsley in 1811. This one has provided by Colonel John Johnson, and this handle is provided by William Owsley. That shows that the Neyanban at that time in Bushehr had 6 holes. Music of Bushehr, as a music with multicultural background, has always been influenced by immigrant cultures, of which the Lurs and the Arab are perhaps the most important ones. According to the field research, there were Neyanban with 5 holes and even 4 holes in the Lori regions of Bushehr province. And it is said that this type of Neyanban was also played in Bushehr, while the Neyanban in the Arab regions have had 6 holes. Even today, in the Lors region of Bushehr, a type of Neyanban with 6 holes is played, but the player only uses the top 5 holes. I have a video of this kind of Neyanban with 6 holes that the Neyanban players use only the 5 top holes. And another one. The study of the Neyanban music of Bushehr shows that for playing many parts of this music, the Neyanban players use only 5 holes of the Neyanban. To do this, they only use the first 5 holes of the Neyanban and do not need to the 6 holes at all. I have a video of this music here. This is a part of Neyanban music of Bushehr that is called Sheki. Unfortunately, the video is uh, uh, just music and dance and is not focused on the Neyanban player, unfortunately, but you can hear the music that is played with just first 5 holes of the Neyanban. So if you stick the musician fingers on the 6 holes that are never used, it has no effect on the playing of this kind of melodies and songs. They use only these 5 holes for playing this kind of music. On the other hand, there are also part of Neyanban music that use the 6 holes in their structure. It is interesting that many pieces of Bushehr Neyanban music, which use the 6 holes in its structure, are played in a more complete form in the Arab region. Perhaps the reason for this, besides the presence of Arab in the old Bushehr, is one of the old Neyanban players of Bushehr, Ahmad Ali Sharafi, who says that he learned many music pieces of Neyanban in Kangan, another region of Arabs in the south of Iran. A good example of uh, this kind of music uh, has been played by uh, Ahmad Ali Sharafi in form of Char Dasmal. Listen out for this music. Exactly here, he used the 6 holes for playing this part of music. Listen again. This one was Neyanban music from Bushehr in form of Char Dasmal that the Neyanban player used the 6 holes for playing this piece of music. But this music is almost the same song played by Ibrahim Mayed, the Iranian Arab Neyanban players that in Bandar Mugham that is accompanied by vocal. Putting the mentioned evidence together, we can perhaps conclude that In the Neyanban music of Bushehr, many pieces played with only 5 holes were originally made by the instrument by the Neyanban that had only 5 holes. And the origin of these pieces is Luri. And other pieces played with 6 holes of Neyanban may have Arabic origins. Finally, it is important to note that in Arab countries such as Kuwait, Bahrain, and Emirates, there is a type of bagpipe known as jarba or habban, jarba or habban, which is similar to neyamba. According to some researchers, jarba or habban has Iranian origins. So, when it comes to the Neyanban of the Arabs in southern Iran, it means that the Arabs who settled in the south of Iran adopted this instrument from Iranian culture and used it to express their own musical culture. Thank you for your attention to this video.